Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Zach Bowman. I drive the No BS Camaro. I just kind of want to make a video to introduce myself, kind of show off my garage. I got a 2016 6th gen Super Sport Camaro. Car started out, I bought it brand new. It was a 2SS car. Now I'm practically into just NA racing. That's what I like to do. That's what I've liked to do for the last decade, really. I had a 5th gen. Sold it in 2016 and ended up upgrading to a 6th gen. Had the fastest bolt-on car for a long time. We went 1120 with all the seats, everything in the car. Now this was a 6-speed car. The best time we ever ran in the car was a 10:01 at 135 miles an hour. That's with just a stock casting GPI milled ported heads, track attack version 1.0 cam. It was an early track attack cam. It was made in 2017. Ryan designed it. He put it in Brandon Hill's car, my car. It did really well. Did some flat cut pistons on it. Everything's been built in-house. Me and a buddy, Drew Trimble, you guys will meet him later on. He does a lot of work on this car. He's a master technician. He's really good at what he does. We built a really fast car before. We really plan to build a really fast car now. We're going turbo 400 now. The 6B's been sold. So the best time the car ever going to run with the stick shift is going to be a 10.01. We're not going to put a stick back in it. I bought a turbo 400 from Cohen. They also spec'd the converter as well too. Did everything through GPI. Ryan Stevens has been a huge help through all this. He's done all the tuning on the car. We've done it all remotely. This car never went on a dyno, which I'm getting ready to show you all what the car looks like now. It's practically been fully disassembled since November. That's when we pulled the motor and kind of started all this. It's been a project, really. I mean, with all the coronavirus and all that stuff going on too, that's kind of put a delay on everything. I was really hoping to be at Camaro Fest, around the 13th of this month, showing the car off and debuting it, but kind of put a damper on everything, and we're back and rolling now. Actually going to GPI at the end of the week to pick the motor up. They did all the motor work. So all we're going to do is assembly. I've swapped some things out. I'm going to show you all that too and kind of show you my garage. Really, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, which I don't have very many subscribers, just started this. Subscribe. I'm going to do a full turbo 400 swap. This is a 1-car garage. It's actually down in my basement. Got a 2-car garage upstairs. My wife and kids and all that stuff use that. So this is where I work on my car. I'm going to kind of give you all a tour of everything and show you all what the car looks like now. We've accomplished a lot in it. Really happy with what we did for as little was done to the car. People say it was a race car, the weight, blah, 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 blah. It had AC, it had power steering, it had power brakes, it had every creature comfort ever. It takes 30 minutes to pull your seats out and drop your exhaust. If you can't do that on your own, that's your fault. I'm gonna show people what it takes to go fast. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. Y'all will see what it takes to go fast in it. We did have the stock Brembo brakes on the car. This is the street aerospace components kit. GPI's does sell this as well. They've got all the lines and everything for the 6th and the 5th gens all in stock. They sell in a kit, bolts right on. This is the street kit right here, not the drag kit. The drag kit I have on the back, you'll kind of see the difference in the rotors on it. Also, the hats are the same too. So if you do want to switch from the street kit to the drag kit, all you got to really do is just change your rotor. You can reuse your hat there and just get different size pads there. I do have ARP extended wheel studs. Those are a 1/2 inch longer than factory. They're gonna be nice hanging the RC component wheels I got coming next week. I did take the AC out now. Car doesn't have AC anymore. I took it out and put everything up. I plan on putting it back. I'm gonna try to run a number and I'll put a lot of things back. We are gonna keep the power brakes, ABS, does have a line lock on the car. It's got an SJM line lock on it. I'll kind of go over that in another video, kind of show you all that. Here's those rear brakes there. kind of go to the other side. You'll have a better light there. Rear brakes, aerospace components, rear drag. Those are just some cheap BMR bars. That's the Carlisle lower control arm there. Oh, these are nifty if y'all have a trailer right there. Little ties. I mean, just simple suspension, really. Just some cheap biking shocks. Mess with the settings down there on them. I played with a lot of those on the track. Got my 60-foot down. Did cut a 140 60-foot in a manual. And this car was a lot heavier when it did that as well, too. Now I have removed the factory gas tank out. I'm going to try something a little different here. I got a Holley pump. Works pulse modulated, so it should work with the direct injection system. That's a 12.5 gallon tank, so we got plenty of E85 capacity for cruising. We got a stock battery over there. You know, still got the amps, some speakers, all that good stuff. Interior, I mean, I have started the 400 swap. I haven't got my trans and everything in yet. Literally just ordered it, but it should be 2-3 weeks out. And we'll be starting the 400 swap. Well, I'll have the motor back in house this weekend. Probably make a video on that on Tuesday. I'm gonna record some stuff down there, GPI as well too. Probably meet up with Ryan and everything. Here's this is the RPM roll bar. Didn't have a roll bar in the car last year, so that's about 50 pounds right there. But you know, I'm gonna be going a little faster. I mean, it's not really 100% started or anything by far, but it makes me feel a little bit better. At least have a bolt-on cage. Or bolt-in cage, so for people that call this a rattle can, it's not going to be a rattle can. It's going to have a cage in it. Dash hadn't been out of the car. It's got a console, door panels. I did pull the headliner. I kind of like the look with the bare roof and the roll bar. I got my harness mounted there. Kirky seat, Planet seat bracket. There's my air fuel gauge. Does tie in my HP tuners. I mount my tablet right over there. Cut that little cover back there. You know, I mean, I'm going to have a gas tank back there, so I at least want to have some sort of a fire shield just out of aluminum. Yeah, that's kind of the car. But, you know, this is just a one-car garage, really. That's where all the work is done. Some nice toolbox. Really cheap compared to like Snap-on and stuff. That's not a Snap-on box. That's from Harbor Freight. It's a nice little magnet. You know, fake it until you make it. But I do got a lot of Snap-on tools and stuff. I do enjoy them. Got a decent little tool collection. Practically anything I need to work on the car. And this is really my first video, kind of just introducing me and kind of telling y'all what I'm about, what I'm going to do. If y'all like it, subscribe. I'm gonna make a lot of videos. I'm going to kind of show you all, you know, assembling a 6-chin with a turbo 400 and going fast. I mean, the ultimate goal is to go $899. That's going to be hard to do. They'll have stock casting heads. I can't afford no CID heads or anything like that right now. But I'm going to see how far I can go. I'm a pretty good driver. I got a pretty good track. I got some good friends that are going to help you all meet. Like I said, just subscribe, guys. Thanks. If you want to see anything else, kind of let me know. I'm going to kind of go over a lot of mods that I've done to the car previously and kind of let everybody know how everything worked out. Hit that subscribe and follow.